I got off the chopper.
Alright, here is my second recording of Resident Evil 5 Mercenaries. I'm playing as Chris Redfield this time. Chris is a big guy, so he's not moving as fast as Sheva, but he does have some advantage over Sheva, namely more powerful weapons, as you see a little bit. And then his melee kill, his punches are just a lot more deadly than Sheva's kick. So, right now I'm trying to collect all the bonus timers first. The strategy is try to collect all the bonus timers and then string on a bunch of combo kills to get maximum points allowed. Okay, so it'll be another minute or so until I collect all the timers. Then we'll start the party. Have fun. Oh, good. Alright, I'm gonna blast that wall open. Is it open? Okay, my shotgun. I think my lunch day is ready, waiting for me. Oh, here she is! Oh, sorry, I don't like you. Okay, this will make you puke. Alright, oh, there's his old boyfriend. Her ex-husband was here too. Too bad, guys. Don't like you either. Alright, who's waiting for me in here? Her mom? Nope, no one there. Okay, take on my grenade. My bonus. Healing herb. Okay, and then I need to get out of here. Uh-oh. Trouble. Oh, good. Oh! Yes, nice move. Just to dodge a bullet. Okay, I have maybe what? 2 left. 1 more timer's left. Okay, this will be the last one here. Okay, we'll set a landmine. Okay, now I'm ready for the kill. Oh, the chicken. Oh, shh. See, the grenades meant to be for the chicken. Okay, the chicken is over there. Alright, there you go. It's a lot easier just to waste a grenade on the chicken than try to shoot it. Okay. It's a little hard to shoot when it runs around. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's not quick enough. Shotgun. Oh, one of the advantage of can't talk and play at the same time. The advantage of Chris is that shotgun is 1 shot, 1 kill in close range, which is nice and hard to tell. No, not quick enough. Handgun. It's between the legs. Oh, there we go. Oh. That's what happened. Even zombies has a weak point between the legs. Oh. Getting a little close. Getting a little close. Woo! Good. Shotgun. No, get out. Get out. Oh, I'm bad. I'm bad on that guy. I need to get healed. Get some health recharge. Oh, the several. This thing's that's slipping out of the head, out the neck. What is wrong with you? Oh. Come on, Chris. Resuscitate. Quick. Alright. Flashbang grenade. Heal first. Then flashbang. Just kill the second one. Not quick enough. Took another 2. Actually, I think I did kill the second one. Then, 2 out. Yep, it's not that. Down he is. That grenade. There they come. Get them between the legs. I don't have to shoot them, but they need them. That's the best. You stun them. How you look like you beat them. Grenade, blast him, go. Uppercut. Booyah. It's not there yet. Couple more shots. Oh. Come on. Oh. God, you retard. Now I lost the combo. There you go, he was lost. Okay. Is it dead? Come on, man. Up here is now. Jesus Christ. Oh, forgot to low. Gee. It's a bad run this time. 3 consecutive combo losses. It's not that. Okay, now he is. Oh, he's done. Down, there we go. Booyah! Hey, now can you let my shoe down? Ooh. 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 Oh, yeah, load the shotgun. Shotgun is nice in close range. Shoot! Shoot! One more shot. Oh, there we go. Boom! Ooh, 3 kills at one time. Stop. Yeah, come on, my controller's getting a little. There you go. Melee! Alright, stop both of them. 10 seconds right there. Oh, another Cephalo. Do I have any more flashbang grenade? Yep, one more. Strict. Boom. Get out. Come here. Oops, the shotgun is nice. Ugh. Bury you under my shoe. We should get out of here. Okay, I think all the enemies are just about done here. Someone's behind me. Oh! Uppercut! Get the shotgun ready. We got a whole bunch of them. Shotgun is really nice. Oh my gosh. You slow retard Chris Redfield. Actually, it's me. I have total control of Chris Redfield. Boom! Shoot high. Heal. Get out. Execution is right behind me. Grenade ready. Oh god. Bad toss. Alright, go get up there. Oh, get another grenade. That should be good. Go up there, shot him a couple times, and then uppercut. It's not dead yet. Again. Boom. Oh, gee. I lost the combo. Dang it. The grenade is not very powerful. Get my shotgun ready. I'm in trouble. I know it. Oh. Come on, Redfield. Shotgun. Oh, here 3 times. Dodge. Go. Oh. Wrong direction. Alright, get up to the rooftop. Get this guy first. I think I have the oil barrel. There you go. Lunchtime! Nice. He's on his knee. Boom. There we go. Oh. A little too close. The smell is good. Oh. Oh, this is a bad gun. It's like a bowling 7-10 pins. You can get both at the same time. Ugly. Who else is next? This is ugly. Got them all. Oh, melee kill right here. 1 and 2. Okay, stop. Oh, this is another executioner. Oh, get out of here. Get out. Oh, nope. Not you. Yeah. Get out. Get the deal first. Do I have grenade here? Yep, I got grenade. Oh, perfect tosses, man. Get them up. Boom. Yeah. One more, buddy. Look at the axe right there. That's too far away. Alright, no. Get out. Ooh! Just dodge the big axe. Okay, I'm running out of time here. I think that's 71,000 points, which is not bad.
My ETA is 30 seconds.
Dodge the grab. Oh, that toss the grenade. Oh! Oh, that axe swinging. Boom! See how I shot that machete down? Nice move. Oh, that guy just plain miss. There. See that? Oh, lost another combo over there. Shotgun time. shotgun.
Very
Hey, very impressive. I think how much? I think I got 80. What was that? Oh, good. 102 kills, 31 combos, 82,000 points. Not bad, not bad. Happy.